Hey guys, AXR Half Pint here, and today I'm going to do, what is this called? White Noise. White Noise is basically a monster chasing you through woods, wilderness, trees, whatever you want, and basically it's trying to eat you, so it's not good. Basically this game is a rip-off of Slender. It's just worse than Slender. Slender, in my opinion, is a very good game, but I might do it one day, but no. So I'm just gonna put my headphones on while you're listening to some scary music, apparently. And let's start this game. Let's. You know what? I don't know which one. We're going this one. Alright, here we go, pick. Ooh, who's that? Who will be? You know what? She looks pretty sexy. And she's ginger, so she's a win. I'm picking her. You know? Ginger people. Oh, so we're finding recordings then. Fair enough. What? Oh, so it's... Why did I pick a graveyard? Please explain this to me. That looks promising. Oh, this graffiti. This is scary. Oh no. Oh, so... What? Oh, that's how you turn off your flashlight then. What the... He has no eyeballs! Get away! Can we get in there? Oh, this game just sucks. You can't even get in here. That's poop. Now, watch me find like one tape recorder and then just die because it's me. I'm not good at these sort of games. I'm not really good at any games, to be honest. So, there's gotta be something right here. Come on. Look up. This is just poop. Did you hear that whistle? It was like Mr. Slenderman. Can you hear that? What? Oh! It's a tape recording! How do I pick it up? Oh. It's A. A. Oh my god, this is actually really freaky. Oh my god, this... I've got the volume on full blast as well, so it's actually hurting my ears. Oh, what the... That looks... What the hell's that meant to be? Why is one of them in a flipping graveyard? There's that buzzing noise, that means I'm near a tape recorder. What? I can't find it. Where's it meant to be? Yeah, it's getting louder. Ah! Oh my god, that frightened me to death. Oh my god. Wait, what is that? Are you there still? What? It's not there. Where is it? Watch me try. Oh my god. This has got me on edge, guys. Oh my god, sir. Get away! Get away! Oh no, it's gonna kill me. No. Oh, it's one there, look. I got. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, Mr. Angry Person. You ain't got nothing on me. You ain't got nothing on me. I don't even know that song. I'm sorry. That's my awesome singing there. You spin me right round, baby, right round. It's so easy to like go around in circles on this. That's a problem. I'll probably die now because of. I always do this on these sorts of games. I always find something and then I always go around in a circle and circle and circle and circle because I get lost and it's pitch black and there's nothing to actually find and it's gonna pop out in a second. This is not funny. My heart's racing like mad. I'm like pretty much sweating. My back is disgusting. Oh. just please, oh god, this is just a rip-off of Slender. It's not even good. No, it's alright game. Say it's like not expensive, but you can get Slender for free, and it's got Slender's probably got better graphics as well. That's the thing. What was that? What was that owl? Show yourself. So, I mean, it's not a bad game. It's like only like 80 Microsoft points. Oh yeah, guys, I'm playing on a Xbox 360 if I missed it out at the start. So, yeah, not PC. I think I might do Slender. I'm actually like freaking out right now because I don't know where to go. I'm pretty much lost. I can't find any more tape recorders or whatever thing they are. They look like a steady. Whoa, what was that? Oh, oh my god, sir. You know what? I'm facing up to this guy. Get out of here, you butt. Where's he gone? Get out of here, you butt. Oh no, he's looking at me, look. I can't. Just go away. Ah, it's following me, you pervert. Go away. Yeah, you will run. This is my part of the woods. You better back off. Oh my god. He's there, look. He's creepy. Hello. Hello. Oh my god, he actually looks pretty scary. He's just a rip off of Slender though. He just looks exactly the same as Slender. Apart from he's tall, but he's not skinny. He looks dead beefy. It's like, this is a game, it's not exactly scary, but it makes you jump quite a lot. Oh my god. Go away! You butt! I know what, I'm facing up to you. No, 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 please, please, I'm sorry. I didn't mean it, I promise. Now I'm trapped. See, look, he just runs away because he knows I'm a tank. He can't handle the pressure. What was that? What the hell's that? That's just bad graphics, size for you. Hello, Mr. Zombie Thingy, Mr. Monster. You want some tasty food? We're not having any. Yeah. That's right. I'm calling you out. I think you're bluffing. I think you're just lonely. It's just crap. It's not even. It's just scared of me. Look at his little wimpy. He's not even doing anything. It's like it's too much of a tank. He's got a flashlight. He scares me. But you know what? I was about to say I'm not scared of him, but that just frightened me to death. Where's he gone? God's sake! I was there. Look, hey, Mr. Son. Maybe I'm gonna do a Slender thing where like if you're up behind the tree, he can't move, can he? Oh, and he's moved. Great. I don't even know where I'm going. I'm sorry about this, guys, if I'm walking around in circles, you just go, God's sake, Alex, what are you doing? You're going around in circles again. This is the 50th time, and I'm subscribed. Oh, water. Maybe you're scared of water, that's why they've put it here. Cross water. Yeah, you can't get me now. Sorry about that, guys. Oh, what? It's that green thing! What the hell is this? I was playing this earlier to get a feel of the game. And this green thing killed me. I don't even know what the hell it is. It's a statue, it's like a piece of bone. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my, it's gone! It's gone! It's gone! Oh. He was right there. Oh my god! Oh, my flashlight's going now. I think this is the end of the line for me, guys. I've only got 2 recorders and he's still about to kill me. But you know what? This is a rip-off! He's right behind me. Everyone meant to go. Pulling my pants. That's it! I'm sick of you jumping me now. This is just... Oh no. No, please. Please, I'm sorry. I beg you. I can't even see. Oh, that's fine. I'm a torch on. Look at that. No. Are you there? Please say you're there. No? Okay. Right, I reckon there's something down here. I'm sorry guys, it's pretty boring, isn't it really? Apart from you hearing me scream like a little girl because there's something chasing after me in the middle of... But don't you think, if you was like, oh look, I found something, oh I've been here, great. You're going around in circles again, Alex, what are you doing? I think something's there though, I can smell something. Something around here. What's that? I don't know. What's that? I reckon there's something there. Well, I don't know what to do now. Ah! Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! This is not fun. You still there? Oh my god! Go away! I hate you! Oh, that's still there. Oh my god, there's like 2 things following me now. What the hell? It's hacks. You know what? I ain't part of this system. That's it. As soon as I see you next time, I'm gonna kill you. It ain't gonna be funny for you, because I'm just like, yeah, mugging you off, killing you. You know, I think this game is alright, but to be honest, the graphics are bad, and I think it. Oh my god! It's just a rip-off of Slender. If it like had a, I know it has like different maps, so that's better. But so does Slender. I find a tape recorder. Yeah, I'm gonna kill you, motherfucker. Yeah, what are you gonna do? Nothing, because you just got 3 out of 9. Great. And what the hell is that noise? It's not even not. Maybe that's what it's called. White noise. White noise. Oh, what's this? It's a tree. I've never seen one of these in this game. Oh my god. You know what? I ain't part of your system. You see this? You see this flashlight? You're scared of me. You're scared of me. Yeah, you are. You better, bro. He knows I'm the boss of this kingdom. Like, you don't understand how bad, like, it's dead fuzzy this is, because I think it's just, like, meant to make it more... Oh my god, is it? I regret nothing. What? He just keeps popping up in the just... That's it. I regret nothing. I regret nothing, okay? Yeah? I regret nothing. Whoa, stop there. Go away. Go away, stop there. No! 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 Oh my god! Oh, I'm dead apparently. Oh my god, my heart, really. That's pretty scary. Oh, it lasted 12 minutes, that's not bad. Screams? I think I screamed more than once, mate. Just a little bit. Look how many times in circles. Just watch. Watch this. Oh, I found one. 2. Oh no, that's where I saw someone. 2. Oh look, I went round this circle again. Another circle. Another circle. I never... Oh, that's where I saw him again. That's where I saw him again. I saw him again. I saw him so many times, it frightened me to death. Just look how many... It's just not right. Oh, and then I event you. And I think I found a tape here. Did I? No? Oh my god, I played for so long. Oh, and then I died. Well guys, this has been White Noise from AXR Half Pint. I hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment and subscribe for more videos. I hope you liked it, and peace.